Managing your finances doesn't have to be complicated. Introducing our Minimalist Budget Spreadsheet, designed to help you track your income, expenses, savings, and more with ease. Whether you're an Etsy buyer or someone looking for a simple yet powerful budgeting tool, this spreadsheet is for you. Let's take a quick tour. After purchasing the template, you'll receive a PDF with links to access your spreadsheet. You'll have two options: an empty template for starting fresh and an example file with pre-filled data to explore its features. Let's open the example file so I can show you how it works. You'll be directed to this page. Just click Make a copy to save it to your Google Drive. Before you begin, set up automation by clicking the Enable Automation button. Google will prompt you to authorize the script, which is a one-time security step to ensure your protection. Select your Google account, click Advanced, then go to Minimalist Budget Planner. If the advanced menu isn't visible, consider using a different browser. Finally, click Allow to grant necessary permissions. This enables crucial triggers like currency format updates, tracking top 3 due soon bills, auto-updating next billing dates, copying paid expenses, sending bill reminders via email, and resetting data when needed. Now, let's explore the dashboard, your financial overview at a glance. You can select any month or view data for the entire year. Here, you'll see your total income and expenses, each with a growth rate. Your net savings is shown alongside its savings rate, which represents the percentage of your income that remains after expenses. A quick view of your budget spent, visualized with a sparkling graph. A cash flow trend line showing your savings progression, next month's forecast, and a year-end savings projection at the bottom. A breakdown of your top 7 spending categories, giving you a clear picture of where your money is going. A budget versus actual spend bar chart that visually compares your planned budget with actual spending, helping you identify any overspending or savings opportunities at a glance. All these KPIs dynamically adjust based on your selected month, except for the cash flow trend line. Stay ahead of your payments with up to 3 upcoming bill notifications, so you're always prepared for due dates. Tracking your income is seamless. Simply enter the income source, and the date fills in automatically. Next, double-click to select a category, input the amount, choose a payment method, and add any notes if needed. The date can be manually adjusted if necessary. The Expenses tab works the same way. Log your spending, choose a category and payment method, and let the spreadsheet do the rest. Never miss a payment again. This section helps you manage all your recurring bills. Simply enter the service name, amount, and next billing date. The payment status will automatically update based on the next billing date. If auto-renew is enabled, the status will update to paid when the billing date is reached. Otherwise, it will show as overdue, requiring a manual update. Keep in mind that if you manually change the payment status, the automatic formula for that bill will be disabled, and you'll need to update it manually. This is especially useful for services without auto-renewal. At midnight, a trigger will check the status. If it's paid, the data will be added to your expenses, and the next billing date will be updated automatically an hour later. Plan smarter with the Budget Planner. Monitor monthly budgets for different categories and track actual spending to stay within limits. Easily filter by month or see an annual overview. Customize the spreadsheet to fit your needs. Let's change the currency to euro. This process takes a few seconds as the script runs. You'll see a loading toast notification at the bottom right, and once completed, the new currency format will be applied throughout. You'll get this data by default, but you can remove, edit, or add your own categories. The monthly budget will be set to 0 by default, so you'll need to input your planned amounts manually. Set up reminders and notifications with full control. Toggle upcoming bill reminders on or off to stay ahead of due dates. Select a reminder time frame. Choose between 1, 3, 5, or 7 days before the bill is due. Enable email alerts for extra notifications, and specify a recipient email to receive automated reminders directly in your inbox. You have full control over your payment methods. Add new ones, edit existing details, or remove any that you no longer use. This helps keep your financial records accurate and tailored to your personal preferences. Lastly, use the Reset Data button to clear transactions while keeping all your settings intact. With this minimalist budget spreadsheet, managing your finances has never been easier. Whether you're saving for something special or just keeping track of expenses, this tool will keep you organized. Grab your copy on Etsy today, link in the description. If this spreadsheet simplifies your finances, let us know in the comments. And if you're looking for more tools like this, consider subscribing to stay updated with our latest digital resources. Here's to smarter budgeting.